Welcome back to our channel, Traveler's Plan. Today, we are taking you on a breathtaking journey to one of the most enchanting places on Earth, Leh Ladakh. Join me as we explore the wonders of this paradise nestled in the lap of the mighty Himalayas. Before we dive into the details, let's take a moment to soak in the beauty of this remote and awe-inspiring region. Just look at those majestic snow-capped mountains, the crystal-clear lakes, and the vast stretches of untouched landscapes. This is Leh Ladakh, where adventure and tranquility intertwine. Leh Ladakh is a paradise for explorers and nature lovers alike. One of the must-visit places is Pingong Cho, a mesmerizing lake that stretches across the borders of India and China. Its vibrant blue waters against the backdrop of towering mountains make it a dreamlike destination. Another captivating spot is Nubra Valley, also known as the Valley of Flowers. It offers a surreal experience with its high-altitude desert, sand dunes, and the famous double-humped Bactrian camels. Imagine riding these gentle creatures amidst the gorgeous golden landscape. Leh Ladakh is not only about breathtaking landscapes, it is also a melting pot of cultures. The region is home to indigenous people like the Ladakhis, who have deeply rooted traditions and a strong sense of community. Their vibrant festivals, such as the Hemis Festival or the Dosmoche Festival, are celebrations you wouldn't want to miss. Buddhism, too, has a significant influence on the region. Leh Ladakh is dotted with stunning monasteries like Thiksi and Hemis Monastery, where you can witness ancient rituals, immerse yourself in spirituality, and explore the rich cultural heritage. Calling all adventure seekers, Leh Ladakh offers a wide range of adrenaline-pumping activities. From thrilling river rafting expeditions in the Zanskar and Indus rivers to mountain biking amidst the picturesque surroundings, there's something for everyone. If you're up for the challenge, you can embark on a thrilling trek to some of the world's highest motorable passes like Kardungla or conquer the formidable Stok Kangri Peak. These adventures will not only test your endurance but also reward you with unparalleled views and a sense of accomplishment. As we explore this stunning region, it's crucial to preserve its pristine beauty. Leh Ladakh has been experiencing the consequences of excessive tourism. So, let's be responsible as travelers and opt for sustainable choices. By following eco-friendly practices like using reusable water bottles, avoiding plastic, and respecting the local culture, we can ensure that this paradise remains timeless. And there you have it, folks, a glimpse into the captivating beauty of Leh Ladakh. It's a place that will leave you breathless, rejuvenated, and with memories that will last a lifetime. So, make sure to put this wonderland on your bucket list. Next, we are immersing ourselves in the stunning beauty of Srinagar, the jewel of the Kashmir Valley. Srinagar is nestled in the lap of the mighty Himalayas, and its beauty knows no bounds. From enchanting gardens to serene lakes and captivating architecture, this city has it all. Our first stop in this visual extravaganza is the world-famous Dal Lake. Imagine waking up to floating gardens, shimmering waters, and majestic shikaras gracefully sailing across the lake. The tranquility of Dal Lake is truly unmissable. As you glide through the pristine waters, you'll be captivated by the vibrant hues of the lotus flowers and the elaborate wooden houseboats, known as shikaras. These intricately designed boats offer a unique and immersive experience, allowing you to soak in the beauty of Srinagar in style. Moving on, let's explore the Mughal Gardens. These gardens were inspired by Persian architecture and serve as a testament to the grandeur of the Mughal Empire. The perfectly manicured lawns, elegant fountains, and fragrant flowers make this place a paradise on earth. As you stroll through the terraced gardens, you'll come across picturesque pavilions, known as badgars, which not only add to the architectural charm but also keep the gardens cool during summer. Next, let's take a walk through the narrow lanes and vibrant markets of the old city. The hustle and bustle of this place will transport you to a bygone era. From traditional crafts to aromatic spices and exquisite Kashmiri carpets, the old city offers a sensory overload of sights, sounds, and smells. Here, you can witness skilled artisans honing their craft, creating intricate embroidery, papier-mâché works, and beautiful hand-woven pashmina shawls. Each piece tells a story, and taking home a work of art is like carrying a piece of cashmere with you. No trip to Srinagar is complete without visiting the Hazrat Bal Shrine. Located on the banks of Dal Lake, this elegant white marble shrine houses a holy relic believed to be a strand of Prophet Muhammad's hair. It is a place of utmost reverence and peace, attracting devotees and tourists alike. As you enter the shrine, a sense of serenity envelops you. The gleaming white facade and the tranquil atmosphere make it a perfect spot for introspection and spiritual solace. Lastly, we venture up the Zabarwan range to visit the Shankaracharya temple. Perched atop the sacred Shankaracharya hill, this ancient temple holds immense religious significance for Hindus and offers panoramic views of the entire city. Legend has it that the great philosopher Adi Shankaracharya stayed here during his visit to Kashmir centuries ago. The spiritual ambience and breathtaking views of Srinagar make it an ideal spot to witness the city's grandeur. And there you have it, dear viewers, a glimpse into the awe-inspiring beauty of Srinagar. Whether you are seeking tranquility, cultural experiences, or a rendezvous with nature, Srinagar won't disappoint. So, add this paradise to your bucket list and embark on a journey that will leave an indelible mark on your heart. Thank you for joining us on these visual exploration. Don't forget to hit the like button, comment with your thoughts, and subscribe to our channel for more captivating travel adventures. Until our next rendezvous, stay curious and keep exploring.